reviewing Cipla, a company that has been 85 years in caring for life. Almost all of us will be knowing this company. It's been there for nearly 3 generations. And those who have been investing in stock market for quite some time, we would have come across this stock, invested and made money. This is a beautiful stock which generally gives profits to its investors. Let's go to our review. Starting with rankings, earnings rank is 60.9%. A stock, if it has to be good to look for a buy, ranking should be more than 70. Here, since earnings rank has gone below 70, it's at 60.9. It doesn't qualify for a buy. While this ranking drop happened in September, let's talk about it. Price rank is at 83.9. That is a qualifier. So as I said about ranks being above 80 is a qualifier. Above 70 is a qualifier. Here it is 80, so we can go ahead and buy. That is on the ranking side. While that said, price is losing strength. So generally when we just take one number and make a decision on that, possibility of being wrong is more. So to show that, here is one beautiful example. When we plot the price rank as a chart, we can see there is a dip in price. Though the rank is at 83.9, it has come from 93. So in July, Cipla had a price rank at 81.9. It hovered there for some time and then started going up, went to 93, and afterwards it dropped. Now it is at 84. This shows that this stock is lost momentum for some reason. Let's see what it is. Coming to business growth, there are two mountains here. This kind of mountains market doesn't like. So what happened? In March 2018, profit growth goes to close to 70%, and after that by December 18 it drops to near 10% growth only. Again by September 2019, growth goes to 60%. After that, subsequently nearly 3 to 4 quarters it is dropped. Now as it is in September, it has become negative. This is bad. When companies don't make profit, stock will not get value in the market. So that's what maybe is happening in the stock. Whenever it had big runs, the stock has gone up. Probably after the December growth rate that was there in the stock started moving up. Sales wise, it is flat. It was close to zero in September 2017. In September 2020 also, it is close to zero only. No growth in sales. While that said, margins are going up. When margins are increasing, sales is dropped little, profits has taken a very big beating. This generally market will not like. So that's what profits have become turbulent even after margins being going up. Stock has slipped. So that's why we put this image that guy is slipping down from a cash pile. Going to investors, FIIs have lost interest. They generally are smart investors, take a right call. That said, there will be sometimes they will also make mistake. There is a probability in the market. Every action that we take has a probability. In this case, FIIs have failed. They started selling the stock from March 19 onwards and reduced their exposure by close to 6%. And if you see, mutual funds have taken over from all the selling from the FIIs. They started buying at the right time when FIIs started selling and almost gathered more than 6%. So FIIs sold 6%, MFs have taken up that 6% money. Retail have not participated. Domestic institutions sold and now they have started buying. Insurance have been selling. This stock, Cipla, had a very good move from March onwards till September 2020. March 2020 to September 2020, this stock gave a very good run. So in that, MFs made fantastic money. FIIs lost in this. If we come to the chart, there is one more beautiful observation here. On the left side is the monthly chart of the stock. When in February 2020, the stock gave a new low on closing. On closing low in February, there is a red bar here. After 4 blue bars, we have one red bar here. That bar was the lowest closing in this total range. When this happened, indicators gave a small bullish signal. That turned the stock and afterwards it just rocketed in speed. When this pattern happened, when we go to the weekly, there is beautiful bullish divergence that is there in the indicators, and this kind of divergence has 80% probability of winning. That's what happened in the stock. By March end itself, it gave a signal to buy. After that, it didn't look back, it just flew through the roof. While that said, what happened here is, as the stock price kept going higher and higher and higher, when this red arrow we have put here, indicators started losing momentum. By September, stock hit the stop loss, and afterwards it has been hovering around the same place for nearly 2 months. This is actually not good. This is why the price rank has dropped. Though again, in this stock, business growth came down, earnings rank dropped. Because of that, price rank is also dropping, though stock has not had a very big drop in its value. So there is an opportunity for one more upside to come in Cipla, because monthly charts that are such bullish will have one more run up that might take some more couple of weeks to come. You can have the stock in your track list for the next buying opportunity, which should give again another fantastic profit opportunity. All the views shared are thoughts and ideas on stocks from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. If somebody wants to buy Cipla, please do your analysis, get comfortable with the risks, and then buy. Thank you.